now.
Mm-hmm.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to pugla pugla afro. And then.
Sarah's turn. Make a song, Yaya. Sing a song. Sarah. Sing a song, Sarah.
Songs can be so boring.
Yeah, Mamat. Sing a song, Mamat.
Why that red button? Catherine, why's there a red button? See?
Is that your song, honey? Baby, oh.
Look at there's a red button. See?
Yeah, it means it's working.
Oh yeah.
Say Nanette.
Nana.
Can Yaya again?
Are you done now, guys?
Okay, Matthew's turn.
Nana.
Yay! How about James?
Net.
Okay, Yaya.
Nana.
Matthew. Pardon, please.
Nana. My turn. Papa. Papa.
Play that.